Good morning, students. This is Shivani Kumar here, your teacher of English, and I will start the new chapter, chapter 6, and in which we have pronoun. Okay, what we have? Pronoun. Chapter 6. Okay, chapter 6. Pronoun. Okay, so what is pronoun? So I will not directly tell you the define of what is pronoun. I will tell you what is pronoun through the examples. Okay, जैसे कि like here we have some sentence. Arif is a boy. Arif likes drawing. Tina likes see. Arif is a boy. Arif likes toy. Okay, like this I will write here. Toy. So what we have to notice in this, okay? Whenever we talking about someone or something, we don't repeat a name of that thing or a person. Okay, just like whenever we I taught you about the essay cow. Okay, so I will not share like this. The cow has four legs. The cow has 2 ears. The cow has 2 eyes. Not like this. What mostly teacher do, they write the first line, the cow is a pet animal. Then after that they always write, she has 4 legs, she has 2 eyes, she has 2 ears, like this. Okay, so what I am saying, trying to saying है that कि जब भी हम किसी चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहे होते तो हम बार बार उसके नाम को नहीं रिपीट करते, बिकॉज दिस इज़ द रॉन्ग वे टू टॉकिंग अबाउट एनीथिंग और राइटिंग अबाउट एनीथिंग. ओके, तो हम क्या करते हैं, एक बार नाम लेते कि हाँ चलो हम इसके बारे में ही बात कर रहे हैं. लेकिन जब हम बात कर रहे होंगे लाइक इन आवर क्लास वी हैव संस्कृति. ओके, तो संस्कृति इज अ गुड गर्ल, संस्कृति इज अ प्रिटी गर्ल, संस्कृति इज ब्यूटीफुल. वी डोंट we don't say संस्कृति by time, मतलब time to time. We say yeah, संस्कृति is a good girl, she is pretty, she is beautiful, like this. So हमें क्या करना होता है, एक बार नाम लेके ये बताते कि हाँ हम इस पर्सन के बारे में बात करें, तो उसके बाद उसके बारे में जब भी बात करते हैं तो हम ही शी इस तरीके से बात करते हैं. यहाँ पे लड़का था तो हम ही को लिखते, तो ही लाइक्स टॉय. आरिफ इज अ बॉय एंड ही लाइक्स टॉय. आरिफ एक लड़का है जिसे टॉयज पसंद है, तो हम इस तरीके से बात करते हैं. तो ये आरिफ जो हो गया, क्या हो गया, स्पेशल नेम. तो वी ऑलवेज गॉट टू नो अबाउट द स्पेशल नेम इन द नाउन सेक्शन. ओके, हम नाउन जब जब पढ़ते हैं तब हम इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. तो आरिफ क्या हो गया, नाउन, क्योंकि आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दैट अ नाउन इज अ नेमिंग वर्ड. किसी भी चीज़ का नाम नाउन है. ओके, इन अ सिंपल वे. सो तब हम इस नाउन की जगह पे किस चीज़ को यूज कर रहे हैं, ही. तो ये ही क्या हो गया, प्रोनाउन. ओके, तोड़ के वर्ड को देखो, प्रोनाउन. ओके, नाउन के बदले में जिसको यूज करेंगे उसको प्रोनाउन बोलते हैं. Like here we have, in this sentences the name Arif, Tina, Nati are repeated, and you would not like to keep saying Arif, Tina and Nati over and over again. Okay, I have already told you that we don't use name or any name of anything or a person over and over again, and that is also a wrong thing if you guys do. And we can write this sentence like this, and just I have already told you that. Here we have some more examples. Tina is a girl and Nutty is a dog. Tina is a girl and Nutty is a dog. Okay, this is the first sentence, and that through these sentences we got to know about the Tina and the Nutty. Now we have to know more about them. Tina plays football. Tina plays football and the Nutty likes bones. okay, like this. So I have already told you that repeating name or name of anything is incorrect way, is not a correct way or improper way. So what we have to do, Tina is a girl, and then we have to write that Tina is a girl, and Tina की जगह पे she plays football, okay, like this. She plays football. So Tina is a noun here, and in the place of Tina we used she, and she is pronoun here, okay. जो इसके बदले में यूज हुआ she, वो क्या हो गया, pronoun. Like this. Nutty is a dog and Nutty likes bones. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, it likes bones, ओके. सो तो नटी यहाँ पे डॉग है, तो डॉग के बारे में भी बार बार नहीं बोलेंगे नटी इज अ डॉग, नटी लाइक्स बोन्स, नटी लाइक्स दिस थिंग्स, नटी लाइक्स दोज थिंग्स. नॉट, वी विल नॉट रिपीट द नेम, वी विल सेव नेम ओनली वंस, दैट नटी इज अ डॉग एंड इट लाइक्स बोन्स. उसे क्या पसंद है, हड्डियाँ. तो उसके बदले में यहाँ पे जो यूज हुआ इट, वो भी क्या हो गया, प्रोनाउन. सो व्हाट इज द कंक्लूजन, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग और डेफिनेशन ऑफ अ प्रोनाउन नाउ. Okay, so what is pronoun? In the definition form we can say that a word we used in the place of a noun is called pronoun. A word that we used in the place of a noun is called pronoun. Okay, a word that we used is called pronoun, and examples are he, she, it, this, that, etc. ओके, सो एग्जाम्पल से पता चल गया कि हम किस चीज़ के बारे में पढ़ेंगे इसमें. ही, शी, इट, दिस, डैट, दोज, दीज, लाइक दिस काइंड्स ऑफ प्रोनाउंस वी हैव टू स्टडी in this chapter. Okay, so this is the definition of a pronoun here, and these are the examples. Now I will solve some more exercise which will help you to understand the concept of this topic. Okay, so circle the naming words that have been repeated. So in the number A we have circle the naming words. So it means we have to circle the noun here. So like this, in the number 1 we have the dog is small, the dog is small, the dog is brown, and the third one is the dog barks. Okay, so here we have the first 3 sentences. Okay, so in the number 1 we have total 3 sentences which is related to a dog. So who is the naming word here and which is the naming word here? Okay, the dog is small, the dog is brown, the dog barks. कुत्ता छोटा है, कुत्ता बूढ़ा है, कुत्ता भौंक रहा है. So here we can notice that the word dog is repeating over and over again. So this is not a right way to describe the word, this thing, the dog. Okay, so what we have to use, I'm not going to write the correct thing here. Okay, the correct sentence here. I will just tell you that we can say that the dog is small. Then we can say he is brown and he barks. Okay, like this. Okay, हमें बस एक बार बताना है कि हम किस चीज़ के बारे में बात करें, उसके बाद फिर उससे रिलेटेड प्रोनाउन को हमें यूज़ करना होगा. तो द डॉग इज स्मॉल, तो द डॉग इज pronoun here, sorry, naming word here, noun. The dog, here we also have So the dog is a naming word in these sentences. So we have to circle